My name's Jeff Edgerton. I'm the brewmaster for Bridgeport Brewing Company. Big baseball fan, love baseball. My son played baseball for 11 years. Just was immersed in baseball for a long time. When I heard that we were getting a single-A short season baseball team to be named the Hillsboro Hops into town, I jumped on it. I went to our sales guys and I said, hey, we have to have this opportunity. We have to have our beer at this stadium. We have to be involved with this team somehow. We have to make a beer that is specific for the ballpark. We need to make something that's specific for the ballpark. So what do people drink on a hot summer day? They drink a light, easy drinking, crisp beer that goes great with ballpark food. And so I thought, well, this is perfect. This beer, you know, this hop that I'm interested in, this beer, this style, is going to be perfect for this. To make Long Ball Ale, we start with straight pale malt. We mill that through our 4-roll malt mill. We take it into to our grist hopper that we brew what's called with isothermal mashing or infusion mashing. We add hot water to grain, so the temperature for Long Ball is very, very specific. We have to hit that in order to end up with that really nice crisp body. So there's quite a bit of art from the brewers is when they add the water and the ground malt together. It spends about an hour in the mash tun before we start running the liquid. At that point, it's called wort. We start moving that liquid over to our kettle. We move it over to the kettle. At that point, it's called sweet wort. And because it's really, really sweet, it's basically kind of a sugar solution at that point. At the kettle, we add the first charge of hops, and this is where you get a little bit of bittering in there. We add some nugget hops as the first addition in there. So from the Northwest, right here in the Willamette Valley, grown about 25 miles south of Portland. Really nice hops. We boil that for about 75 minutes, and then we take that from the kettle through our hop jack. We add whole Meridian hops, and Meridian is a variety of hops that I kind of discovered, or was introduced to by some people in the Willamette Valley that said, hey, we would like you to take a look at this hop. And the hop was a really nice kind of a sweet lemon. They described it as a Meyer lemon kind of a flavor. So I thought, well, this would be a perfect hop to add to Long Ball because it has that kind of a sweet lemon, kind of a citrusy aroma. Really great on a hot day. Very refreshing kind of a beer. The beer is brewed to be relatively dry, which means it doesn't have a lot of extra sweetness in it, but those hops kind of counterbalance that and make it just taste, I think, just right for that kind of a product. Those go into our hop jack. So what we do is we take that hot wort, we pour it directly over the top of these whole hops, these whole Meridian hops, and extract those wonderful Meyer lemon citrus kind of aromas and flavors out of that. So then we send it to our fermenter for fermentations. So 68 degrees with our house Bridgeport yeast for about 5 days. But on the third day of fermentation, we add another charge of hops. So this is the third hopping. This is the triple hopping that we do. And that we add that hop on the third to the fourth day of fermentation, and it gives an extra punch of that Meridian kind of a lemony citrus flavor that comes through. I think it's very popular in this area. People have really grasped onto it. It's that light beer on the bar, or lighter beer on the bar that we needed actually. I think it's a really good example of the brewer's art in the sense that lighter beers, lighter bodied beers are a little harder to make in a way because you have to you can't hide anything in a lighter bodied beer. If there's any kind of flavors or strange flavors that you don't want or don't like, they're going to show up in this light of a beer, that's for sure. So you have to make this beer right, and people have really taken to this product. It's a staple in our bar. I think it's right up there as one of the best sessionable beers in Portland for sure. The thing that I love about the Hillsboro hops, and I think I really love about going to the games and being part of this partnership, is the fact that the Hillsboro hops are such a family-oriented kind of an organization. The people that are involved with it are great people. They have been so easy to work with. They have been so excited about the project along with us as well. I think moving forward, it's just one of those things that I want to be involved with. That's the kind of organization that I see myself being involved with. I love that partnership. I think that it's one of those things that we can certainly stick with for the long term.